Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make a lighting shine animation effect in Premiere Pro. So guys, as you can see, I've selected this text, or you can just write text. I've selected my country name text, and after that you can just search in the effects, lighting effect. This just drop it in the clip, and after dropping it in the clip, here you can see the clip is more shiny, but we won't do that. We can just change the uh, intensity. So let's just click on this rectangle shape point polygon mask. Let's just make it like this only for the letters, like this. And after that, uh, move the playhead at the beginning and click on this mask path, or you can just move it here, click on this mask path and click on the mask if you don't find the that shape here, and move the playhead how many times you need, and move this also like this. You can change this intensity as well, like making it 70%, and now you can see this. You can change this if you want. Like this. If the words were like white color, the shiny effect will be gone. Like this, the shiny effect would gone. So guys, that's how you can make a shiny lighting shine animation effect in Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.